Hello everyone, I am Shivanand Venkana Sheshapanavar from the University of Delaware. Today I am glad to present Patch Augment, a local neighborhood augmentation in point cloud classification. Typically, points are augmented at the object level and then sampled and grouped to extract local features. However, object level data augmentation techniques are often applied to the entire object, ignoring the object's local geometry. Also, by visualizing, we understand that the group points are the same as the original input points. Furthermore, different local neighborhoods on the object surface hold a different amount of geometric complexity, and applying the same data augmentation techniques at the object level is less effective in augmenting local neighborhoods with complex structures. In this work, we apply patch augment to the group points called patches. Patch augment is a technique that can be plugged into models with layers containing neighborhood querying. Our patch augment applies different amounts of augmentations to different neighborhood points. Hence, the number of points representing the object increases by several folds in the case of patch augmented grouped points. Consider an object after the sampling and grouping layer and a neighborhood at a specific point. Applying patch augment to these points is as follows. Patch augment randomly drops a small fraction of neighborhood points and randomly scales the grouped points. Patch augment does two types of rotations. Firstly, it rotates grouped points with smaller different angles along each of the axes and then rotates along the up axis. The group points are then randomly translated. So far, the applied augmentation techniques are common to all points within a patch neighborhood, but different for points belonging to different neighboring patches. Finally, jittering is applied. Jittering makes the points move randomly within a neighborhood space. Jittering is different for each point within a neighborhood. We notice the changes in the points at the neighborhood level and hence at the object level due to patch augment. We also see an increase in the number of points in 3D space that represent the overall group points. Although these six types of augmentations are same as conventional data augmentations, they are not fixed in case of patch augment and are applied to each group neighborhood differently. Among the two popular types of neighborhood querying, that is the ball querying and k-nearest neighbor querying, we recommend k-nearest neighbor based querying for patch augment. The reason is that when ball query fails to fetch the requested points from a neighborhood around the centroid point, it repeats the centroid point. Application of patch augment to these repeated centroid points results in a lump-like parts as shown here. We evaluated the impact of patch augment on two of the standard models, PointNet++ and Dynamic Graph CNN, against four datasets and achieved decent improvements in 3D classification accuracy. We also show considerable improvements on all the six variants of the ScanObjectNN dataset. On the hardest variant of ScanObjectNN, both overall and average class accuracies of PointNet++ model improve by 3.1 and 4.3% respectively. We did a bunch of ablation studies to see how each augmentation at the patch level fared. We studied a combination of object level and patch augment on PointNet++ against ModelNet 40 and then Dynamic Graph CNN against ModelNet 40 and ModelNet 10. Finally, we also studied the change in performance of the patch augment with different augmentation parameter ranges. Thank you for listening. Please visit our poster session for more questions.